Welcome to Shom Achshov on the Daf. We're holding in Zevachim Daf Kuf Ches. The Mishnah in the end of Mudal says that Rabbi Yossi says he's not chayav at sheyale leroish Mizbeach. Rashi says sheyivne Mizbeach l'shem kach. You have to build a Mizbeach for the purpose of doing a Mizbeach. The Rambam is also mashma like Rashi that it needs to be for the purpose of a Mizbeach, because the Rambam writes hamale b'chutz chayav at sheyale leroish Mizbeach sheyase b'chutz. Meaning he's going to make the Mizbeach. Now, some Achronim point out that it's coming from a Mechilto. The Mechilto of Pashas Yisroi writes on the Mizbeach that says the Gal Beis Hamikdash. It's a Mizbeach Adomo Taseli, Mizbeach Miyuchad Li. Should be Miyuchad for me. Shelo Tivneu Mitchilu Shumacher. Don't build it for something else. You have to build it for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So whenever you're doing a Mizbeach, it has to be built for that purpose. This answers another question that Achronim bring. The Gemara in Beis says, how do we know they have to do Mizbeach? Because they bring the pasuk of even Noyach Mizbeach LaHashem. So you see, you have to build a Mizbeach. So many of the Achronim ask, and Rabbi Yosef Enkel as well points this out, how do you learn from something that happened before Matan Torah? But according to what we brought from the Mechilto, the main source is the Mechilto that says the regular Mizbeach needs to be done LaHashem. How do you know that you can do something else? From Noach, you see that he wasn't enough to take a stone. It's just a limitation to tell you that what it says in Parshas Yisroi means that will be l'shem Mizbeach. So I saw a beautiful ha'ara from Adobe Finkel Zatzal from the Chevron Yeshiva. He says, what do you see over here? That the Mizbeach they need to use in order to create something which is shchut yichutz, you need to not only do a krov outside, but you also have to have a Mizbeach to do it l'shem krova. It's a two-stage process. The Mizbeach is stage one. Stage two is the krova itself. Says this connects to the Gemara. Gemara brought in Dorim, in Yavamis, and other places. The Gemara says, someone does a neder, kilu bono bama, ve'amekaimoi kilu makriv of Korban. Someone that makes a neder is as if he built the actual Mizbeach. The one who keeps the neder, doesn't cancel it, as if he put a korban on it. So here you see as well, it's a two-stage process. You have the Mizbeach, and then you use the Mizbeach, and the neder is compared to that. So that's equivalent to what we see in our sugya, that regarding Hakrovas Chutz, that it's a two-stage process, the building of the Mizbeach and the Hakrova on the Mizbeach. Also by Nedarim, you have the Bona Bama, Hikrivel of Korban. And that's the lashon of the round over there, is Ma'arich, to show how it's connected to Nedarim. He says, there's a problem to leave noise Bama, ula kriv b'chutz. And just to add to this, and this clarifies it here in our sugya, the Maral there in Chidush Agodas and Nedarim explains what's the big issue with a Bama. Well, why is Bama such a terrible thing? Because we have Mokam Migdosh, which connects Am Yisrael together. Am Yisrael worship HaKadosh Baruch Hu together in Beis HaMikdash. Someone who goes and creates a Bama, he's Poyrish Min HaKlal. He's leaving the Tzibur. He's doing his own thing. He's doing his own Ma'alach. He's Kivyochel creating his own religion. That's the issue. You're Poyrish Min HaKlal. So Yimele Maral is giving us definition. What is Allah's Chutz? What's the issue over here? And Yimele, just building the Bama is already a problem. Just by creating the location where he's doing his own thing, he's already Poyrish Min HaTzibur. That's the beginning. Then, if he actually puts the korban on top of it, he takes it from potential to fruition. But the beginning of the Prishum in Tzibur is the building of the Bama, and that explains as the Oimek Inyan of Halos Chutz, why just the building of the Mizbeach is part of the Maaseh, because that's stage one of being Poyrish Min Tzibur. Anyone who wants to sponsor or join the Shor Machshava Shiurim, please email shormachshava@gmail.com.